Praise God.
Hallelujah.
Praise the living Jesus.
Hallelujah.
Adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Olúwa.
We thank God Almighty
Torí pé òun aláàánú.
because He is a merciful God.
Aláàánú jùlọ.
He is so merciful.
Olóore tí ò ní pẹ̀kun.
His goodness is forever.
Gba ọpẹ́ wa.
Receive our
A ní
thanks.
pẹ́ nínú ilé rárá.
We will not much on this video.
A kàn fẹ́ sáré ṣe ni.
We just want to do it
Nítorí
briefly
àwọn tí wọ́n mọ̀ nípa oore ṣíṣe.
because those that did not know about doing good
Àti ọrẹ.
and offering.
Àyẹ̀wò náà àdúrà lọ báyìí.
We are entering in prayer
Orúkọ Jésù.
in Jesus' name.
Agbára ẹ̀jẹ̀ Jésù.
In Jesus'
Ìwọ
name.
la ń ṣe léyìí fún.
We are doing this for you.
Ọlọ́run gba ọpẹ́ wa.
Father, receive our
Kí
thanks.
gbogbo ògo àti ìyìn
So all the
àti
glory
ọlá
and
kó
riches
jẹ́ ti ẹnìkan.
may be yours only.
Gba ọpẹ́ wa.
Receive our
Àwọn tó ń
thanks.
ṣoore
Those that have been doing
tí wọ́n rí
good,
èrè oore.
that are not seeing
Bye.
the goodness of
Bá a
good,
ṣe fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ yìí,
as want to speak this
jẹ́ kó
word,
mọ̀ díẹ̀.
let them know the
Ṣé
reason.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ká lè máa yìn.
Do it so that you can praise
Níkẹyìn gbogbo
it.
ẹ̀.
At the end of
Àti bí ògo
everything,
ṣe lè jẹ́.
let's use heaven as your home.
Àdúgbò ẹ̀pẹ̀ ti ṣe.
We thank you that you
How
have
man
here,
you?
we have done it. We
How man
praise
you?
you, we will praising you.
Jésù Olúwa wa.
In Jesus' name we
Àwọn
pray.
náà ọ̀rọ̀ lọ.
We are going to the word of God.
Mo ta fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ̀ ní
What we want to speak, the topic of the sermon
ọrẹ
is offering
àbí oore ṣíṣe.
or doing good.
Méjèèjì náà ló papọ̀.
The two have the same
Nǹkan
combination.
mẹ́rin ni nǹkan yìí ní.
This topic has 40 different things.
Ìkíní,
The first
a máa ń sọ̀rọ̀
one,
nípa ọrẹ.
we are talking of offering.
Ọrẹ pé oríṣi mẹ́ta.
We have three types of
A
offering.
ní ọrẹ owó,
We have offering of
a
money.
ní ọrẹ aṣọ,
We have offering of
a
clothes.
dẹ̀ ní ọrẹ oúnjẹ.
We have offering of food.
Kí ni ìkẹrin nínú ẹ̀?
What is the fourth one?
Ìkẹrin ni pé
The fourth one is
gbogbo ohun tí à ń ṣe yìí,
all this thing that we are doing,
irúgbìn ló jẹ́.
we are sowing a seed
Nítorí pé a máa ká.
because we are going to reap
Èyí
it.
tó sì kárùn-ún ẹ̀,
The fifth
tó
one
jẹ́ adé lórí ẹ̀,
that crown it
òun ni pé
is
Ọlọ́run nìkan ló máa ń san fún yàn.
it's only God that pays somebody back.
Ọlọ́run nìkan ló máa ń san
It's
fún yàn.
only God that rewards
Àwọn
somebody's
yẹn lóyìn
back.
tó ṣoore tí ò rí gbà.
So many people have done good but no reward
Tó o bá
from
ṣoore,
anywhere. If you do
tó o
good
dẹ̀ dúró tì í,
and you stand by it,
o ò lè rí gbà.
you cannot receive the
Ọlọ́run ò ní ṣe
reward.
tiẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀.
God will not do your own like
Ṣùgbọ́n káwọn
that.
máa gbà oko wa.
But without taking much of your
Ẹ já
time,
lọ sínú Bíbélì.
let's go into the
Káwọn
Bible.
kan tí Bíbélì sọ fún wa.
Let's look at what the Bible
Káwọn
says.
2 Corinthians
The book of 2 Corinthians,
9:6-7.
the book of 2 Corinthians, chapter 9, verse 6 to 7.
Yes,
But this I say,
yes.
which soweth springily shall reap also springily, and he shall whom soweth beautifully shall reap also in beautifully.
Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah.
Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah.